The Formula One business is trying to get the maximum benefits of the technology available everywhere. Without IT, no race, no car out of the garage. We use 3D printing technology 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to prepare the next season car already now. If AI is a mean to take better decision, it's okay, we will use it. But AI to replace engineering, no.
So how is the use of data and analytics transforming the sport?
Actually, this is probably the sport that is using so far the greatest amount of data, because this is the sport that is the most regulated sport in the world, and for that reason the restriction that we have in physical testing needs to be replaced by simulations or grading data from the CFD, the computational fluid analysis that we have in the factory, getting all those data compared with the wind tunnel analysis that we do from an aerodynamics performance standpoint. The Formula One business is a kind of schizophrenic business, because you can imagine that innovation is in the art of Formula One. We want to get the best materials, the best ideas, the best design for the parts. But at the same time, we are very reluctant at changing the way we work. You know, to race, you first to have be reliable. And that's what I said to my team. The first thing that we have to provide is not the performance in compute, it's the reliability, having that infrastructure running as soon as the engineers needs it to set up or fire the car. Every race, we are building a new subsidiary for a few days, right? So we are installing a data center on the Tuesday, then installing the application that all the engineers will use over the weekend, and we'll dismantle that subsidiary at the end of the race on the Sunday night for the next race. And sometimes there is back-to-back races, like it will be the case this weekend. We will be in Austin, Texas, and on Sunday we will be packing everything and travel to Mexico for the next race.
And one of the criticisms, as you well know, of Formula One in recent years is that it has become too focused on technology instead of the skill of the driver. Where do you sit? What do you think of that criticism?
Have you ever been in a Formula One car? You have to know that those guys are just amazing. They can handle so much information during a lap time. You know, they are obviously racing at 300 kilometers per hour. At the same time, they have to deal with all the information that came from the engineers, asking to switch that button to the 7th position and look at the way you recover energy, because now you know that the power unit, what we call the power unit, we don't even call it an engine, it's the power unit. So it's a combination of an internal combustion engine plus 2 electrical motors plus a battery plus a turbo, and the engineers are sending constantly information to those guys to set up properly all those systems to make the car the most efficient in every corner. So the day we will see a bad driver winning race is not for tomorrow.